Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikkel Drew Pelham. I talk about digital fashion design, software, and communication on this channel. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Today's video is one of the many reasons I love the power of a video meeting. For this month's CAD Chats, I wanted to interview 3D fashion designer Laura Senkute of Senk Design Digital Fashion Studio. And that almost didn't happen. But because we were able to do a video chat, we figured out a time that worked in both time zones and we made it happen. And this chat was so inspiring and interesting to hear about the many tools she uses in her 3D process. It's really cool.
I'm Laura. I'm a 3D fashion designer and a founder of Senk Design Digital Fashion Studio, where we specialize in creating 3D visuals for fashion brands and to utilize digital fashion and help them with their marketing strategies. I primarily use CLO. It's amazing. I'm obsessed with the software, I swear. Well, on the daily basis, as part of the design process, I could not live without Photoshop and Illustrator still. It's still a major part of the design process for post editing, and I love using Adobe After Effects and Lightroom. We use Blender, we use Substance Painter, Dash Studio. It's a lot of softwares. It's a lot of different tools. You must love learning when you are in digital fashion.
I feel like you also have to have a lot of patience.
Oh yeah. Patience and determination to overcome.
And a really good processor on your computer.
that helps. In general, softwares like that really are so beneficial, and in fashion industry, like every brand should really incorporate that. It reduces waste, it saves money because you don't have to spend on fabric and multiple samples. For 3D visuals, where we specialize, I think brands can save money as well by creating these amazing, engaging visuals of the products without spending so much more money. And you are only limited by your imagination. Because you can literally create anything and anywhere, which I find is just amazing. The layer function property, it saves me every day from fabrics colliding, meshes. Honestly, I could not single out one project as being the most difficult and the most fun, but I found that the projects that are difficult at the end, they are the most fun, because you really have to use your problem-solving skills and you have to overcome, and you usually learn something new, which at the end, for me, that's what's fun. When I can see that, oh, actually I made it work. Working in 3D, with every project, you'll get something that is not working. That's just part of it. Or maybe that, I don't know, is that me? I don't think that's me only.
Not at all. I spoke to someone else who said the same thing. She was like, sometimes you just have to step away from it.
Yeah. But if I had to single out a couple of details that really makes my blood boiling, it's when you go to when you think of a garment and you know that you'll have to animate that garment. So it's a completely different workflow almost. That's what gets me. That's what gets the best of me. Yeah. In 3D fashion, it's always learning. You must love learning, because if you don't, you're not gonna succeed. You must love learning. And now with all the different AI tools, and it's just never ending. Well, I'm always working at least on a couple of projects. I can't really disclose them at the minute.
It's fine.
But yeah, there is at least a couple going. But yeah, I'm looking forward to finish those projects and start new ones. Yeah, so they can find me on social media like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and even Pinterest as Sang Design. They can find me and work with me on our website, which is sangdesign.com. But obviously, they can always DM me on Instagram or YouTube, anywhere, comment. I actually love responding and I love helping people and chatting, so I get all these requests all the time. So don't be shy, message me, I will answer you.
What she does is so cool. Don't be surprised if you start seeing more 3D garments and simulations incorporated into marketing. It's an awesome way to engage your customer and show your new designs without breaking the bank and sampling. Thanks for watching today's video. If you want to start using CLO3d, click the link in the description to sign up for my beginner course, and make sure you check out some of my other CLO videos on this channel to get you started. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you find it helpful. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next time.